for today's video, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung hotel na pinagstayan namin, which is a budget family hotel na marirecommend ko sa inyo kung kayo ay family, malaking grupo na magbabarkada na gustong magstay within Station 2 and walking distance lang sa beachfront. So, ito siya. The hotel that we are staying at is Azalea. And as you can see, sobrang lawak niya. So, ito lang yung main road. So, coming from the airport, dyan kayo dadaan. And then, ito na siya. And then, going naman to the beach, doon lang siya. Ayun o, natatanaw nyo. Yun, 3 to 5 minutes walk. So, pasok tayo sa loob. Ayan. Ganito yung madadatnan nyo. Hanggang dito lang yung mga e-trike and van, guys. So, you really have to walk. And then, paglakad nyo dito, ayan na agad yung reception area. And super minimalist lang yung reception area nila. Alam yun, wala masyadong etche-boreche dun sa mga table. Alam mo yun, hindi siya masyado malaki. Talagang per person, parang may stand. Ayan. So, to your right, ayan, dito kayo mag-check-in pag dumating kayo. And then, once makapag-check-in kayo, eto, may waiting area pala para sa mga kasama nyo kung while checking in, nag-aantay. So, dito kayo dadaan ngayon. And then, pag dumiretso kayo, ito na yung kanilang restaurant. Kuya Jay yung partner nila. Even sa Baguio, ganito yung kapartner ni Azalea. So, dito kayo magbe-breakfast. Merong mga upuan dito. Pwede din kayong mag-breakfast dyan. And now, may dalawang way. So, dito yung isang side. And then, as you can see, meron din dito sa kabilang side. So, nandito kami sa side na to. And when you enter, lakad ka lang konti. Ayan, may mga sign naman. Nakalagay naman dyan, elevator. So, mag-elevator ka lang dito. And let's go naman to our room. So, ito yung kanilang elevator. Ayan na. So, we are a group of 6. Well, actually, we are a group of 7. 6 adults and 1 kid. So, yung isang room is good for 2 adults and 1 kid. And then, yung isa namang room is good for 4 adults. I'll show you both rooms para makita nyo. And then, sasabihin ko rin yung rates namin later after nung tour natin sa room. So, yun yung elevator. And then, once you go out, ito. So, nag-aano na ngayon? Nag-housekeeping. So, dito yung room namin. And yung room namin is nandun sa pinakadulo. Kung nakikita nyo yung liwanag na yun, dun kami sa dulo ng hallway. Which is actually good. Ako gusto ko yung mga ganon. Kasi di ba in cases of emergency, malapit ka dun sa, alam mo yun, pwede ka maka-exit, may open agad na window, ganyan na space. Yan. So, our room is 305 and 301. So, magkatabi kami. Kaya okay. So, ayan. Dito yung aming room. Now, let's start muna dun sa deluxe room. Okay, so this is our room. This is a deluxe room. Ito yung main entrance. And when you enter, so to your left, may lutuan. May kettle, may mga yung sa pang-coffee, free coffee. And then, pwede magluto dito, alam ko. Kaso, wala lang silang ng mga pangluto. Chinek na namin lahat ng cabinet. Wala silang panluto. But, kompleto yung kanilang amenities in terms of yung mga plate, yung mga bowl, yung glass. Tapos may spoon and fork din dito. Ayan, nandyan. Wala lang talagang panluto. So, tatanong pa namin kung paano. Kasi I think parang gusto nila magluto. So, yan. And then, may ref, which is a big-sized ref. Hindi yung mini ref lang Talagang ref siya kung ref. So, yan. Kompleto. And then, may microwave. So, yun yung maganda. I'm not sure kung yung ibang hotels may microwave. Parang wala. Kaya ang ganda dito. Kasi kung halimbawa may mga takeout kayo, pwede nyo initin, di ba? So, talagang perfect siya. Para sa mga nagtitipid, ganyan, budget traveler. And then to your right naman is the bathroom. So, nagamit na kasi namin, kaya magulo na siya. But, ayan. So, may free naman na mga toothbrush. And then, may mga soap. And then, ganito yung kanyang door. Hindi ko alam kung nasira to, kaya naging ganito. Pero feeling ko, kasi may gano'n, no, yung parang lock doon sa baba. But, basically, yan. Malinis siya, guys. And then, toilet, and may bidet. So, perfect. May tissue, yan, trash can. And then, when you go out, ito na. Ito na yung room. Meron kaming 2 double beds. This is good for 2 ha. So, malaki siya. So, kami since 2 adults and 1 kid, perfect. And then, itong sofa na to, nagiging sofa bed to, alam ko. Kung kailangan mo na parang for extra person, pwede nilang i-set up yan. Ayun o. Nagiging sofa bed yan. So, talagang malaki to. Kung pwede nyo pang gustong mag-extra person, magdadagdag na lang kayo. So, yan. And then, we have here yung, syempre, lagayan ng mga gamit. And cabinet na, yan, may ironing board, may mga hanger, may safe. Yung safe, tinawag ko nga lang kasi hindi siya nag-work. So, may tatago kasi ako. So, yan. And then, we have yung balcony. The balcony doesn't have chair. But since meron namang chair dito sa working table, pwede yan. Ilabas nyo na lang kung gusto nyo tumambay at maupo. Ang view namin is yung sa may entrance mismo, yung may malaking azalea na yun na bilog. So, yan. And then, dito yung reception. Dun sa area na yun sa Bataga. Ayan, dyan yung reception. So, ayan. Ganyan lang kaliit yung kanilang veranda. Okay, so aside from the deluxe room, di ba yun yung isa naming room, 6 kasi kami. So, nag-book din kami ng 2-bedroom suite. So, ito yung door, di ba? Pagkapasok nyo, to your right is the dining table. And then, same na meron siyang lutuan, kitchen. So, merong kettle, may coffee, and then, yung mga gamit, again, is may utensils lang, pati yung mga plates. Pero, yung lutuan pala, we ask, pwede kang mag-request pag magluluto ka. So, even rice cooker, papahiram nila sa inyo. And then, same, may microwave, may full-size ref, or hindi to kasi mini ref eh, di ba? Yung mini ref, ganun lang eh. Full-size ref, and then may, ano pa kayo, may living room. So, yung living room, this sofa can also transform into a sofa bed. So, actually, the 2-bedroom suite is good for 6 packs. But yung 4 packs lang yung binook namin dito. You have 1 king bed, sobrang laki niyan. King bed to. And then, you have TV, your study table. And then, dito, yung view natin is, let's see kung ano yung view. Mag-check-in pa lang yung mga kasama namin. Okay, so yung view is still the lobby. Yan, yung pinaka-entrance. So, let's go to the other room. The other room naman is, I think, parang the master's bedroom. But sorry, before we go there, eto, in the middle of the hallway, yung pagitna ng dalawang room, meron ditong bathroom. So, ayan. See? Tingnan nyo. Sobrang linis, guys. As in, sobrang linis ng azalea. And then, yung mga towels. And maganda, nakaprepare na yung panghang nila ng clothes. Yung after nyo mag-swim. So, yan. And then, this one naman is the master's bedroom. So, bakit ko sinabi na master's bedroom? So, again, you have the king-size bed. And meron silang sariling bathroom. So, same guys ha. May TV, may study table, working table. And then, yung kabila, meron din itong closet, hindi ko na napakita. May sleepers, may safe, yung laundry bag. And then, may sarili kayong bathroom. So, diba? Ayan. Siyempre, di ba pag marami kayo, kung 4 kayo, ang hirap naman kung magsisiksikan kayo. Ayan, kompleto din. Same lang, amenities, nandito yung mga toothbrush, and then soap, yan. And that's me. Pakita ko naman yung sarili ko. So, yan. This is the 2-bedroom suite, guys. May full-size mirror. Ayan. And then, that's it. That's the room. Super ganda dito, guys. As in sa Azalea. Highly recommended. So, again, ito yung 2-bedroom suite nila. And that's it. So again guys, we are 6 adults and 1 kid. And yung 2 adults, dito kami sa deluxe. And then yung 4 adults, doon sila sa 2-bedroom suite. So tinanong ko si kuya kasi may naglilinis actually doon sa isang room. And then, yung sofa bed nila can be transformed. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, ayan yung sofa bed. It can be transformed to an extra bed. And yung 2-bedroom suite can occupy at a maximum na 6 packs. So itong Azalea guys, super highly recommended siya. Kasi para siyang serviced apartments. So yung mga usual hotels kasi dito, so far, hindi ko alam, hindi naman sa nagyayabang ako hindi ko alam kung nakailang Boracay na ako. Pero lahat ng nasaya namin, halimbawa nakapag-henna na ako, yung yung Boracay Haven Suites, ganyan, maraming ganyan. Ano ba yung huli namin Fairways Blue Water. Yung Fairways, meron din siyang microwave. Kasi serviced apartment din yon. Meron siyang parang time sharing. Kung alam niyo yung time sharing, parang may mga bumibili ng rooms and then they can rent it out for a year. And then meron din silang parang free two times in a year ata na pwede silang magstay doon. Parang ganun kung di ako nagkakamali. So sa ganun kami nagstay. Pero mayroon din silang hotel. So yung sa hotel, hindi ko alam kung meron silang microwave. But with the service apartments, meron siyang microwave. So yun yung napagstayan ko. Ang next na hotel na Station 2, kasi Fairways malayo Station 2 na malapit sa beach. It's a good 3 to 5 minutes walk kung mabilis kayo maglakad, ganyan. Siguro mga 8 max kung medyo mabagal kayo maglakad. But this is a highly recommended hotel kasi nga, kung yung mga budget traveler, bakit ko sinabi na budget hotel to? Hindi siya super cheap, di ba? But with the amenities that you are getting, buffet breakfast, may swimming pool, I think they also have a gym. Mura siya, di ba? Mura siya. Kasi, para sa mga budget traveler, makakatipid kayo pag dito kayo nag-hotel dahil nga meron silang microwave, meron silang lutuan. So kung yun kasi medyo namamahalan dito sa Boracay, 'di ba? Yung mamamahalan ka pagkadating sa mga pagkain. So kung gusto mo makatipid, pwede kang magluto. Kung halimbawa medyo naparami yung order nyo ng lunch and then dinner, hindi na kayo masyado magdi-dinner dahil mabigat na masyado, matutulog na kayo, pwede nyo nalang i-heat up yung mga natira nyong food. So sa mga nagtatanong, magkano namin to nakuha? Now, this is a promo offer of Azalea during summer. Syempre, prices may vary. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung magiging presyo. But for the deluxe room, we paid 9,800 for 2 adults and 1 kid. Yung kid, I think parang 12 years old or 11 years old below, they are free of charge. And then for the other room naman, na good for 4, it was 18,300 kung hindi ako nagkakamali, with breakfast na. So, that is for 4 days and 3 nights. Super sulit, guys. And, again, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung entrance ni Azalea. Actually, dito sa may left side, kasi nakaharap ako sa beach. Ito yung beach, ha. So, dito sa may left side niya, dito na yung main road. So, imagine kung halimbawa, kailangan yung pumunta ng D-Mall, tinatamad kayo, gusto nyo pumunta ng Station 1, gusto nyo mag-start ng land tour. Sobrang lapit niya sa main road, yung main highway na dinadaanan ng mga tricycle. And then when you want to go to the beach, to my right naman, dito yung pa-beach ganyan. 3 to 5 minutes walk, guys. Sobrang lapit, as in. And then going to D-Mall, ayun yung usually tinatanong gaano kalayo sa D-Mall? Station 2, pero gaano kalayo sa D-Mall? It's just around, I would say 5 to 7 minutes walk. Ganun lang siya kabilis. So, highly recommended tong hotel na to and super affordable. Okay, so ngayon na napakita ko na sa inyo yung mga rooms, guys, no? Puntahan naman natin yung kanilang pool area. Actually, kakagaling ko lang doon, hindi ko pa na video, pero pakita ko sa inyo. Yung pool nila is relatively smaller versus Henan. Kasi sa Henan, di ba, parang yun talaga yung parang claim to fame. Yung pool nila na pagkadami-dami, pagkalawak-lawak, may pool access, ganyan. But this one nga, sabi ko sa inyo, kung kayo ay budget traveler, family na, alam niyo yun, gusto niyo lang din ma-enjoy yung Boracay without having to sacrifice comfort, na maganda rin naman yung room, and then meron pa rin namang pool na mapag-e-enjoyan yung anak nyo, then this is the right hotel for you. So, I'll show you yung pool naman. Let's go there. So now, punta naman tayo sa kanilang pool area. We are on the 3rd floor, and I'll show you. So, nasa room 305 kami, and the 2-bedroom suite is at 301. Nasa pinakadulo siya, which I like, dahil in cases of emergency, di ba, hindi kayo mahihirapan na pumunta doon sa, alam niyo na, yun nga, in cases of emergency. So now, this is the hallway. Kung makikita nyo, sobrang linis niya, guys, and sobrang lawak niya. Alam mo yung mga usual hotel rooms sa mga resort na parang it's very cozy, yung lights, malinis. Kasi yung napagstayan kong hotel before dito sa Boracay last July, medyo lobby, or medyo yung hallway. So now, let's go to the pool area. Ayan. So, elevator nila is hanggang 6th floor kasi itong hotel. So, dadalhin ko kayo para makita nyo all throughout kung gaano kabilis. And their pool area is on the 6th floor. And ito yung view. Every time you go up the elevator, yung view nyo is yung lobby. Doon yung reception area. And then ito yung kainan. Kainan is Kuya Jay's. So yan. Ayun yung pool area. Nakikita nyo yun? Doon siya. Medyo nakakalito lang once na lumabas na kayo dito sa may pool area. Kasi parang, ito. So paglabas nyo, yan, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung way. Paglabas nyo, you will see the showers. And then, wala na yan, dead end. Ito yung shower area. And then, what's good is, they are adding another pool. See? Pool area to. Ayan o, makikita mo yung tiles. So, this is another pool area. And then, kanina nahirapan pa ako. Kung saan ba dito papunta? But, you will walk through here. Makikita mo. So, again, may shower area dito. And then, parang meron silang parang events area dito. Ayan, meron silang parang events area dito. May parang kainan. Dito pwedeng uminom. Though wala lang restaurant, walang bar. Pero kanina kasi may dala akong drinks and food. Dito nila ako pinakain. Bawal sa may pool area. Ayan o, parang may events place siya. And then, dito ka dadaan. Ito na yung pinaka-pool niya, guys. So, you can go up here. Medyo marami lang nag-swimming. But I'll show you really fast kung gaano ka, yung pool. So, ayan. Dito yung pool area. You can actually see the beach from here. Ayun o. Kita nyo na yung dagat dun sa dulo. So, ito yung pool. Ito na siya. May kiddie pool dito. And then, ito na yung pool. Which kita yung dagat. That's it. May lifeguard dun sa dulo. Yun, ganun na. Okay, so ngayon na napakita ko na sa inyo yung ating mga rooms, pati yung amenities, yung swimming pool sa taas. Tomorrow naman, pagkagising namin, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung breakfast. So, I'm not sure if I will show the breakfast every day kasi hindi ko alam kung nag-iiba. But kung mag-iiba siya, I will show you the daily breakfast. So, anyway, I'll see you naman tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day and for today, papakita ko naman sa inyo ang kanilang breakfast. By the way, dito sa Azalea, yung breakfast nila is plated talaga. Yun talaga yung normal. Now, it becomes a buffet setup pagka maraming nagsistay or based siya sa occupancy. So, swerte kami kasi, di ba, March ngayon. So, it's the 3rd week of March and siguro dahil start na ng summer vacation, ganyan, marami na talaga nagbabakasyon. Na-tsempohan namin na buffet setup sila. Kasi a week ago, tinanong ko yung kanilang reservations, naka-plated pa daw. So ngayon, buffet na. So swerte tayo. And yung partner nila for the buffet is Kuya Jay. Kahit sa Baguio, kung nakapag-Baguio na kayo na Azalea, si Kuya Jay is yung kanilang partner restaurant. Tapos yun din yung nagsaserve ng kanilang mga breakfast, ganyan. So tara, puntahan natin para mapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga food. So, ayan na. Marami nang nagdadatingan for the breakfast. That is the breakfast place. Let's see.
Mommy, I really don't need to eat that, okay?
Let's go. Ayan. So, the way is here. And everyone's going to eat breakfast. Yan. So, that is the breakfast place. Oh, there's Tita Maxine pala.
Ano, ano tayo? Isipin ka na? Ha? Tiboy mo.
Oh, yan. Let's go. It's here. Dami ng tao, ah. Tignan muna natin yung food. Okay, so start muna tayo. May fruits. May salad station. May mga bread, pancake. Same bread, pandesal. And then yung kanilang spread is butter pa lang yun dito. Walang cheese. May initan, plates, diba? Pati plates. Mga baso, ganyan. Nandito yung cereal, may juice. And then, ano to? Condiments. Soup. Anong soup to? So, mushroom soup ata. Then, rice. Ang daming tao, guys. Kaya sumisingit-singit lang ako. Fried rice, scrambled egg, pasta, which is garlic buttered spaghetti. Pero parang walang tahog. Tapos, vegetables, stir-fry veggies, crispy dilis, longganisa, and ano yung last? Longganisa, and I think that's bacon. Pero ganun yung itsura. So, yan. It's day 2 breakfast. So, let's see ano yung food. Iba. Kaya papakita ko sa inyo. So, mayroong fish fillet. May ham. May ano to? Chicken. Something. Potato wedges. Pancit. Egg again na scramble. Fried rice. White rice. And the rest, the same na. Bread, salad. Walang pancake. Pero lahat pare-pareho na. Day 3! And we're going to check the breakfast for day 3. For sure, it's different kasi yung day 2 iba eh, diba? From day 1. So, tignan natin anong breakfast. Ito guys, pare-pareho lang. Rice pa din yan. So, dito tayo tumingin. Bami noodles. Danggit and parang vegetable. Tapos sausage and beef. Parang mas pinaka-okay yung breakfast today. Since nag-breakfast tayo. Wala pa rin pancake. May salad, yun pa rin. Watermelon. Fruits, everyday is watermelon. Yun pa din. So, we are finally checking out of this hotel. And again, kung kayo ay naghahanap ng matutuluyan dito sa Boracay na budget-friendly, na good for family, I highly recommend itong Azalea Boracay. Super affordable, okay yung amenities, and you get what you pay for. Basically, that's it. You get what you pay for. And maganda yung room. Maganda yung room, malinis, bago pa siya. And they always do housekeeping. So yun, sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And kung nagustuhan nyo, please don't forget to like. I'll see you again until my next travel vlog. Bye!